Ever felt overwhelmed by the world of marketing? You're not alone. This realm filled with strategies, channels, and metrics can feel like an uncharted territory. But here's the thing, marketing is more than just an add-on. It's a critical tool that can propel businesses, particularly startups, to new heights of success. It's about connecting with your audience, sparking conversations, and building relationships. Whether you're a startup founder or a seasoned entrepreneur, this guide will equip you with the essential knowledge to kickstart your marketing journey. Many believe that effective marketing requires deep pockets, but that's not true. Let's debunk this myth by exploring some cost-effective marketing channels that can give you a bang for your buck. First up, content marketing. This is all about providing value to your audience through engaging and informative content. Think blog posts, videos, podcasts, and more. By integrating sign-up forms strategically, you can convert your readers into customers without breaking the bank. Next, email marketing. This allows you to reach out to potential leads and nurture existing ones with personalized email campaigns. There are plenty of free or affordable email service providers like HubSpot to get you started on this journey. Then we have social media marketing. With the rise of platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, you can connect with your audience organically. Engage in conversations, share user-generated content, and consider running targeted ads for immediate results. Moving on to online advertising. This is where you wave goodbye to pricey TV ads and say hello to cost-effective online advertising. You can dive into display ads, pay-per-click campaigns, social ads, and remarketing strategies to maximize your budget. Lastly, let's talk about search engine optimization, or SEO. This is all about boosting your website's visibility on search engines. You can do this by creating valuable content, optimizing keywords, enhancing your page speed, and prioritizing user experience. Each of these channels offers its unique benefits and can be leveraged for maximum impact. The key is to understand your audience, tailor your approach accordingly, and most importantly, keep experimenting. Remember, marketing isn't a one-and-done deal. It's a continuous process of learning, adapting, and evolving. And the best part, you don't need a fortune to make it work. With these cost-effective channels, you can make the most of your marketing budget. Now that you know the channels, it's time to build your first marketing strategy. A marketing strategy is your roadmap to success. It's a plan that outlines your business's goals and how you're going to achieve them through marketing. So how do you get started? First, set clear goals. What do you want to achieve with your marketing? Is it to increase brand awareness, drive sales? Your goals should align with your business objectives for maximum impact. Remember, your goals should be SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Next, you've got to know your audience. Understanding who you're talking to is crucial in tailoring your messaging and selecting the right marketing channels, so dive deep into your target audience's demographics, interests, and behaviors. This will help you craft messages that truly resonate and engage. Now let's talk about your marketing mix. This is where you balance the 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place, and promotion. You need to consider what you're offering, how much it's worth, where it's available, and how you're going to promote it. Remember, your marketing mix should cater to your audience's needs and wants, and fit within your budget. Monitoring the right KPIs or key performance indicators is also essential. These are the metrics that will tell you if your marketing efforts are working. Some common KPIs include open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. By tracking these, you can refine your approach and improve your results. Finally, be ready to evolve. The marketing landscape is ever-changing. You need to stay agile and adapt to new trends and consumer behaviors. So embrace experimentation, test new ideas, and refine your strategies based on insights and feedback. Remember, the key to a successful marketing strategy is to stay agile and adapt to the ever-changing marketing landscape. So let's get out there and start making some marketing magic. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to marketing. We've explored cost-effective channels from content and email marketing to SEO and online ads. We've also delved into building your first marketing strategy, outlining the importance of clear goals, knowing your audience, deciding your marketing mix, monitoring the right KPIs, and staying adaptable. Remember, the secret sauce lies in experimenting with different channels and strategies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert insights and hacks from Marketing Matrix. And remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to marketing. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and you'll find your way. Until next time, keep learning and growing.